My name is Ernesta. I came here from Lithuania. Actually, I'm ENT doctor. I'm general ENT doctor. Just I love nose and all nose jobs. So I was looking long time for good courses. Actually, I have participated in maybe 3 or 4 in rhinoplasty because my biggest interest is rhinoplasty, and I found out these courses. It was different because of faculty, and I'm really happy precipitate here. I got a lot. I'm really exciting about the knowledges and tips that they showed, some tricks how I can manage some situations much more easier, and it's really a great experience because the faculty and the organizers, they're taking a lot of care about all participants here. So it was really good 3 days. 3 days is quite enough when we are talking when the group is not huge. So the biggest difference that usually in the courses you can meet more than 10 people, and sometimes even the faculty it's not enough to take care to make to look after step by step. So it's totally different because all the time I look that someone is checking my steps, saying, complaining, telling. So it's different from other courses. I have some expectations. I wanted to do some steps, and I'm really happy I did it here. The program is really good because when the one day is for the theoretical part, and I love that it was firstly faculty, they were showing the steps what we should do, and after we're continue everything, so I think it's a really good structure. We're not missing all the time we are in the temp. These courses definitely were every money it's worth to come here, and I'm really honestly I'm recommending to come here, and I'm recommending for ENT doctors, plastic surgeries, maxillofacial surgeries. I think you can get something new.